and don't you come back no more. What you say? Yeah. Okay.
Delta One Control, got the principal in hand. We're en route to the set location.
Are you the principal?
The principal? We got the principal in hand. Okay, so we just wrapped up Miami yesterday, went over great, and flew to Atlanta this morning. We just stopped by Q100, which is actually one of my favorite stations. I remember these guys from way back in the Beautiful Soul days, but they've always been big supporters.
Jesse McCartney rolls through.
How's it going, buddy? Good to see you again, man. Just been writing, and finally finished up this new album that is going to be a big departure from everything that I've done.
You said you did some of this in Atlanta?
Yeah, I worked with, I don't know if you know Sean Garrett, but he's a kind of a big-time producer, writer in the whole R&B rhythmic pop game, and, you know, he's worked with Chris Brown and Usher, and the list goes on and on. I did a lot of the record here. I got to fly out like once every 2 weeks. It was great. Go to the record stores. It'll be out May 20th.
Okay.
Yeah, or, you know, iTunes. Yeah, it's called Departure.